The state of Georgia has established specific requirements for adult education students to ensure they receive adequate instruction and make consistent progress in their studies. Adhering to these requirements is crucial for students to remain enrolled in their classes and successfully complete their education program. The policy focuses on two main aspects: in-class instruction and out-of-class work. In-class instruction requirements. Adult education students are required to attend a minimum of 6 hours of in-class instruction per week. This face-to-face or online interaction is vital as it provides direct access to teachers, facilitates peer discussions, and allows for immediate feedback on learning progress. Regular attendance helps students stay engaged and keeps them on track with the curriculum. Make up for missed in-class time. In situations where students are unable to meet the 6-hour in-class instruction requirement due to unavoidable circumstances, they have the opportunity to make up the missed time. This can be done by completing equivalent hours in online educational platforms approved by the state, specifically Essential Ed or Aztec. These platforms provide structured learning environments that complement in-class instruction, ensuring that students do not fall behind. Out-of-class work requirements. In addition to the in-class instruction, students must complete an additional 2 hours of out-of-class work each week. This requirement can also be fulfilled through Essential Ed or Aztec. The out-of-class work is designed to reinforce learning, provide additional practice, and allow students to explore subjects in greater depth at their own pace. It helps solidify the concepts taught in class and prepares students for upcoming lessons. Consequences of non-compliance. Meeting both the in-class and out-of-class requirements is mandatory. Failure to comply with either aspect of these attendance requirements will result in the student being smurfed and subsequently dropped from the class. This process serves as a formal warning system, emphasizing the importance of adherence to the attendance policy and encouraging students to take their educational commitments seriously. Smurfed students are not permitted to attend class nor use any of the online platforms. In summary, the attendance and participation policy for adult education students in Georgia is designed to ensure that students receive consistent and comprehensive instruction. By requiring a minimum of 6 hours of in-class instruction and 2 hours of out-of-class work each week, the policy aims to foster an environment of regular engagement and steady academic progress. Students have the flexibility to make up for missed in-class hours through online platforms like Essential Ed and Aztec, providing a safety net to maintain their educational trajectory. Adherence to these requirements is crucial, as failure to comply will lead to students being smurfed and ultimately dropped from their classes. This structured approach helps maintain high educational standards and supports students in achieving their academic goals. Remember, 6 and 2. This has been a production of D&J Designs and MathMan 1962.